The Spokane Workforce Council has been tracking the number of refugees and immigrants coming into our region, and we really want to help them to get a foothold and learn new skills and get a good job in our economy.
So as we try to diversify our workforce, we want people to come to the hospital and be served by people who look like them. And so our community is broad and very diverse.
So when I first got hired onto this job, we had actually kind of talked about like, hey, this is something that we want to try to get the opportunity to do. We don't know if it's ever going to be able to happen, and that being the ESL program, the English Language Learners.
We are teaching people how to be certified nursing assistants. With the ESL program, we have been able to extend it to where it takes about 3 months to go through to learning all the skills that they would need to be a certified nursing assistant.
The wraparound services, our idea and philosophy is the participants are going to tell you what they need, being able to support them throughout all of this training so they're not worried about rent, they're not worried about being able to put food on their table.
I was able to focus, to enjoy a class without having to worry about, oh, next month is coming, what am I going to do? They give you bus passes, so you could take the bus, or if you have a car, you get gas.
In my country, I have been working in the health care system since for the past 10 years. I chose this program to be successful in my career so that I can manage with certification.
We have been able to see a lot of confidence build. There were so many of them who were caregivers in their country. They were doctors, they were lawyers, and it's just that English language is the barrier here.
We have a diverse group of students. They're going to be caring for people. And as we have more diversity and people are saying like, oh, this is somebody who's like me.
The instructors, they made sure we understood everything and we knew what we're doing next, and we're not just guessing. We actually are confident and ready.
The more involved that the employer is, the better the outcome goes, because they are definitely more eager. They're more driven to actually hire the individuals and get them trained in place.
We're hoping that all of them are able to get positions. Some of them have some barriers just with work permits, but hopefully everyone will be able to get a job there.
This opportunity is a breakthrough to me, even my family. It's a breakthrough because I will be a qualified nursing assistant.
This program means so much to me, and being able to help these people is just so wonderful.
None of us can do this on our own. This isn't up to the business to figure it out by themselves, or education and training providers, or the workforce system. But it really takes all of us working together.
There's such a benefit for connecting that career and where they're going to be having this career alongside their education, and it's going to make them feel more connected to the community and want to stay within that community.
I've had a lot of students who always wanted to be a nurse, and then they come through the program and they see, oh, respiratory therapists are pretty darn cool. It's just that great entry-level position to get you wherever you want to be.
This is my foundation. This is where I'm starting. This is my stepping stone to my career.
This WGI funding has really helped us by investing in these folks, so when they arrive here, they can immediately start in a career pathway within healthcare, which is full of great jobs for them. And then as they become more and more accustomed to living in our area, it gives them a pathway that'll last their whole life.